This weekend, we walked our list and picked 6 open houses across South Florida, and one of them is hiding something. On the public record, it looks like a home listed 6 separate times. Our data says 5 of those listings were never even this house. They belonged to a $1.4 million home that used to stand on the lot, a home that is now gone. Same dirt, different house, and ask now near $7 million. Today, the calls. In a few weeks, the walkthroughs, the grades, and we track every one until it sells or quietly vanishes. This goes out just ahead of June 20th and 21st, the weekend these doors are open. Watch in time, and you can walk them with us in person. Stay with me, and I will tell you exactly how. Start with the real rookies. Fresh on the market, no history to hide. 1172 Northeast 103rd Street in Miami Shores hit 4 days ago at $1.6 million, a 3-bedroom with a new pool on a 10,000-foot lot. The Reed, at just over $1,000 a foot for 1,500 feet of house, you are paying for the lot, not the rooms. And our records show 2 bedrooms where the listing counts 3. A few doors over, 1160 Northeast 100th Street asks just under $2 million. 2,400 feet, about $830 a foot, the better buy of the two. One flag there, our records show a single bathroom. The listing shows 3.5. Both are honest, single listings. We sort the rooms in person. Every week, we handpick these tours across our 3 markets, the Bay Area, Los Angeles, and South Florida. And this list is how we chose what you are watching. Now the home from the cold open. 1161 Stillwater Drive in the gated enclave of Biscayne Point, Miami Beach. The public clock shows it bouncing around since 2017. 6 listings, 131 days on the current one. But our analysis pulls those cycles apart. 5 of them, from 2017 through 2019, were an old $1.4 million house. And that house is demolished. What stands today is brand new construction, asking just under $7 million. 5 of those 6 listings are an obituary, not a price history. The land last traded, arm's length, for about $1.3 million in 2016. The cost basis under a 7-figure jump. Underneath the history, the home is the real thing. 50 feet of bay frontage, a private dock, no fixed bridges, about $2,100 a foot. And the tell? The seller already trimmed $300,000 after 4 months. New, on the water, and blinking. That is the whole point of this channel. In a few weeks, we come back, grade every call green or red after we walk inside, and tell you what each home actually sells for. That payoff lives nowhere else. Subscribe so you catch it. The long game now. Homes fighting longer than they look. 1940 Alamanda Drive. Brand new construction in guard-gated Keystone Point, North Miami. The public clock says 37 days. Our data says it first listed last September at $3.5 million, canceled, then returned this May at the exact same number. Same house, same price, brand new listing number. The only thing that changed was the calendar. That is a reset, not a debut, and true age is closer to 9 months. It sits in a waterfront community, but our data flags this lot as interior, off the water. In Keystone Point, that is the whole question. So tell me in the comments, of the long sitters, which sells first? Alamanda Drive at 3.5, or does it reset the clock again? And tell us which South Florida community we should recon next. Miami-Dade, Broward, or Palm Beach. We walk whatever wins. Now, the overlooked value. Homes the market is sleeping on. 1028 Northeast 84th Street in Shorecrest. A restored 1924 cottage with 72 feet of frontage, no fixed bridges, and direct access to Biscayne Bay on an oversized 13,000-foot lot. Ask is just under $3.6 million after a $100,000 trim. The cost basis is the quiet part. The owner paid $3.3 million in 2023, barely 8% over a buy not even 3 years old. At $1,240 a foot, the water is doing the work. The listing counts 4 beds where our records show 2, and that gap is a detached guest house we verify is on the books. Then 1020 Northeast 98th Street, also in Miami Shores, bank-owned foreclosure. It opened this cycle near 1.7 million and has been cut to 1.35, about 20% off its own start. Roughly $635 a foot, the cheapest number on the board, with a new roof and impact glass. The catch? It is as is, and a bank does not flinch like a nervous owner. For the price per foot in this zip code, it earns the look. And be ready to have cash, as offers with financing usually don't win foreclosures. Before we close, one door we already walked last weekend deserves a revisit. 2091 Northeast 191st Drive in North Miami Beach asks just over $2.7 million. Lakefront, big lot, owner-agent, about 500 true days out, with cuts stacking to $751,000, around 21%. The structure needs work, but the land and water are the lever. The owner is the agent, so it may be easier to negotiate. Here is where this gets useful. If you are buying or selling in these neighborhoods, this is the edge, the true age behind a reset clock, the real cost basis under a new build, the gap between what a listing claims and what the record shows, the waterfront access that quietly sets the price. Reach out through our website and we will walk your exact numbers. No pressure, just the read. If you only want the next teardown exposed, tell us where to point the cameras. And the tour. Every week we publish these hand-picked routes on our site, so you walk the smartest order. Watching before the weekend, grab the route and meet us at these doors. After it, subscribe, and next week's list lands with you first. Big Data Realty. We run the numbers, you make the call.